Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the PFN LIST CORRUPT blue screen error you're getting on your Windows computer. So I imagine this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So you're going to go ahead and start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in CMD, best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now that you are in the command prompt window here, you want to go ahead and type in chkdsk space /R, hit enter on your keyboard. So chkdsk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Tap the Y key on your keyboard, hit enter. So close out of here, save and close out of any open programs and applications on your computer, and go ahead and restart your device. Okay, so there you go, guys. Once your system restarted, hopefully you shouldn't be experiencing those errors anymore. And if you still are for some reason, feel free to try and run a system restore as well. That's something else you can try. But pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.